Here's the local creek. I don't know if you guys can see it, but turn some rocks up here for you. You can see it here, the sheen on the water. This creek is hugely contaminated of what we don't know. But as you can see, we're flipping rocks and it is just saturated.
So this is the Leslie Run here in East Palestine, Ohio. They've been filtering this water with filters, with hay bales, nonstop, and they're still saying this water is clean.
Mike, how far do you think we are from where we're distributing the water?
From where we're distributing the water, we're probably about a mile. Yes.
So it would be great fishing here, believe it or not, but as you can see, we're here showing it for yourselves. This water is hugely contaminated, hugely. It just bubbles out of the ground.